Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to change the layout here. And we'll also move on to the design type to customize the slide. So because it's going to be a certificate, leave it at landscape and click on OK. So now I want us to go over to the Insert tab and go and insert a rectangle shape. So you are inserting it at the bottom here. Make sure you remove the border and also the shape field. Make sure you choose this color right here. Alright, so after doing this, you simply have to make sure that the shape is selected. And when the shape is selected, you see this tab which will also appear. Assuming you didn't select that shape, the tab will not be there. So if you select it this way, under the shape format tab, you see something like edit shape. Click on it. You see a drop down of edit points. Then you click on that one also. So after that, you can see that there will be 4 pointers on that shape. So just click on the top one. When you click on it once, you see these 2 pointers. Drag this one down. After that, you go to the other side also and do the same thing applies to it. Alright, so now I want us to just make a copy of this one and change the color of it. So I'm not going to use a solid color, so I just right click on this one and go to format shape. So when the properties appears here, you can see that I'm not using a solid fill again, like a solid single color. I want it to be a gradient fill, so I'll click on the gradient fill here. So when I do that, you can see that some features will also come here. So come and click on the preset gradient here and choose the color at the middle, the one with the yellow. So from there again, you see that the gradient stops. We have 3 stops there. The first one here, the second one here, and the third one here. So click on the third one and come and click on the color. We are changing the color for the third stop. So just gently bring this one here. And make sure you bring this one also closer to this side. So let me adjust this color. Alright, so now I'm just going to increase the size a little and place it here on top of the other shape. So when I place this on top of the other shape, I will now come and send it to the back. Let's click on the extend backward a couple of times. Let's say 1 or twice. Sometimes you might click it once and it might not work. So that's why I said a couple of times. So from there, I'll just make sure that that shape is selected again. And I'll go and edit the points also. So I'm just trying to edit the points. Alright, so I think this way is not looking bad. So next again, go back to the insert tab and insert an oval shape. Make sure you remove the outline. And the shape fill, make sure you tweak the deep blue. So I'll gently place it at the top left corner. So next again, I'll just make another copy of this oval shape. But with this time, I'll just come and click on the gradient fill here. So when I click on the gradient fill, it will automatically use the gradient fill that we used earlier on. So mean that if you change this one again and click on the gradient fill for another shape, it also automatically use that shape. So I'll just bring it here and make sure I'll send it to the back. Alright, now so let's go back to the insert tab and go and click on the text box here. I want us to start inserting some text box there. So let's type in certificate. So we'll align it at the center and the font will choose impact. With the size, we'll try with 48. The color also, don't forget to choose the deep blue. So I'll just make another copy here. So I'll just change this one to of appreciation. And with the font, it will be Arial. The size, I'll go with 18. So next again, I'll just make another copy of this one here. So I'll change this one also to this certificate is proudly presented to. So this one, make sure the color of it will be black and the font of it, and you're not choosing this one again, we are choosing this one right here. So just make another copy and we'll change this one to name and then send it. So this one also, the font of it, I'll choose Bookman O-Star, and with the size, I'll try with 54 or 48, any of it. So I'll go with 48. So let's choose the deep blue. So again, let's proceed to this one also. So with this one, the font of it will be Calibri, and make sure you remove the bold. So this one has to be the description for the letter. I said the letter, the certificate. So I don't have one, so I'm just going to randomly generate a text of one paragraph of 4 lines. So I think this paragraph is not bad. So let's make another copy here and change this one to date. And with the date, the font of it will also be different. With the color, it should be blue. So I'll just make another copy to this side. So let's edit that one to signature. So I'll just go to the Insert tab and insert a straight line at the top of it. So let's make another one here. Alright, so now there's one thing that we have to insert in again here. We have to insert a medal on this shape right here. So I have the medal by device. So when I click on the Insert tab, I'll go with Pictures and this device. Like I said, it's in my device. So I'll click. So I have the medal here. I'll mistakenly insert that one. That's not the medal that I want to insert. So I'll go to that insert again. Go to Pictures, this device. So this is the medal. I'll just double click on it to insert it. So I'll gently make sure I'll reduce the size so that it also fits on top of that shape. So again, go back to the Insert tab and go to Shapes. We are going to insert this shape right here. So you can rotate it this way. Make sure you remove the outline. So let's try with the shape fill also. Alright, so let me bring this one down a little. Alright, so now you can see that our certificate looks nice and clean. Thank you so much, or you can see you later in my next video.